Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best respirators available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for something to protect you during painting, sanding, welding, or other tasks, this comparison will help you decide which one suits your needs best. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the RBL-CXG Respirator Reusable Half-Face Cover Gas Mask. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those seeking a respiratory solution that combines affordability with functionality. One of its standout features is the sealing edge made from food-grade elastic silicone, which ensures a comfortable fit while maintaining a strong seal. The adjustable strap belt is designed to accommodate most head sizes, making it versatile for a wide range of users. The RBL-CXG respirator offers double filtration, effectively blocking up to 90% of organic vapor, gas, smoke, pollen, and dust particles. The package includes not only the mask, but also safety glasses, filter boxes, and extra filter cottons, providing excellent value for the price. While it's not NIOSH-approved, it's still a reliable option for DIY enthusiasts or light-duty tasks like woodworking, painting, or polishing. Despite its affordability, the RBL-CXG respirator has a few drawbacks. It lacks the advanced filtration capabilities of higher-end models, and its build quality might not withstand prolonged heavy-duty use. However, if you're looking for a low-cost solution for occasional use, this product offers great value. It's ideal for hobbyists or anyone working in environments with minimal exposure to harmful contaminants. At number 4, we have the 3M Half-Face-Piece Reusable Respirator 6200. As the most affordable respirator on this list, it offers a solid entry point for those who need reliable workplace protection without breaking the bank. With NIOSH approval, this respirator is compatible with a wide range of 3M cartridges and filters, making it versatile for tasks like sanding, painting, welding, and more. The lightweight design and adjustable straps ensure a comfortable fit, even during extended use. One of the key benefits of the 3M 6200 is its durable, reusable construction. It comes with a reclosable storage bag for convenience, and its bayonet connection system allows for swift and secure attachment of filters. The 4-point harness provides stability while remaining compatible with other personal protective equipment, such as goggles or face shields. However, this respirator is best suited for light to medium industrial tasks and may not offer the advanced filtration of higher-end models. Additionally, the absence of features like the cool flow valve means it might not offer the same level of comfort in high-heat environments as pricier options. Still, for its price, the 3M 6200 is an excellent choice for those who want a dependable respirator for general use at a minimal cost. Coming in at number 3 is the 3M Rugged Comfort Quick Latch Half-Face Piece Reusable Respirator 6502QL. This mid-range model boasts a quick latch design that allows users to easily put on and remove the mask with one hand, a convenient feature for workers moving in and out of contaminated areas. The silicone face seal is not only resilient, but also provides superior comfort, maintaining its shape even in high-heat environments. One of the standout features is the cool flow exhalation valve, which minimizes heat buildup inside the respirator, making it ideal for long hours in challenging conditions. Its low-profile design ensures compatibility with safety goggles and shields without obstructing your field of view. The adjustable head harness, with a 3-size cradle, further enhances comfort and fit. While the 6502QL is slightly pricier than the budget models, its robust construction and advanced features make it worth the investment for professionals in fields like construction, maintenance, and manufacturing. The only downside is that it may be overkill for occasional users or those on a tight budget. Overall, it strikes a great balance between comfort, durability, and performance. At number 2, we have the 3M P100 OV Odor Particulate Multipurpose Reusable Respirator 65021. This respirator excels at filtering out both solid and liquid aerosols, as well as certain organic vapors. It's P100 rated filters, ensuring 99.97% filtration efficiency, making it a top choice for heavy-duty tasks involving paints, varnishes, sealants, and more. The thermoplastic face seal provides flexibility and comfort, ensuring long hours of wear without irritation. This respirator is designed for users who need both protection and odor reduction, making it ideal for tasks like woodworking, chemical handling, and spray painting. The adjustable head straps allow for a personalized fit, while its lightweight construction ensures minimal fatigue during extended use. It also comes with replaceable cartridges, adding to its convenience and longevity. The only drawback is its slightly higher price point. While it's not the most expensive option on this list, it does cost more than some entry-level models. However, for professionals or regular users who prioritize safety and comfort, the 3M65021 delivers exceptional value. Finally, at number 1, we have the 3M P100 OV-AG Multi-Purpose Reusable Respirator 62023. As the premium option on this list, it combines top-tier filtration efficiency with outstanding comfort and durability. The NIOSH-approved P100 filters are capable of blocking at least 99.97% of particulates, while its OV-AG-rated combination cartridges reduce exposure to organic vapors and acid gases. This makes it an excellent choice for industrial applications, such as dealing with heavy-duty cleaners, sealants, and pool chemicals. The 62023 features adjustable head straps and a lightweight construction, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for extended periods of use. Its compatibility with 3M's bayonet-style cartridges and filters adds versatility, while the oil-proof design ensures reliable performance in demanding environments. With its robust build quality and comprehensive protection, this respirator is ideal for professionals who need maximum safety and convenience. The only downside is its price, which may deter casual users or those on a budget. However, for its performance and reliability, the 62023 is worth every penny. If you're looking for the ultimate respirator for demanding tasks, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right respirator for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these products or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to help you out. See you in the next video.